Oh yeah. Well, the N54 is broke again. Let's see what we got this time. Huh. Alright. No, don't need injectors. Man, that's down. Ah! Football module. Alright.
Hopefully you guys got a little kick out of that video. You know, I love doing DIYs on this channel, but let's face it, some DIYs, you know, when you're trying to work on your BMW can get a little bit more stressful. Majority of the times it's not. Obviously that was for all fun and games, right? But, you know, check out the DIYs that I have here on the channel. I'll post that playlist here at the top. Hopefully everyone had a great holiday. Hope you enjoyed the little tiny laugh on the short little clip that you just saw. Lots of new DIYs here coming this week as far as, you know, getting back at it and getting this stuff worked on. Some other cool things are also coming up too. I'll share those details in the videos to come. Thanks guys. Big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already to the channel. Hopefully you have a great rest of the week. Take care.